Hey everyone, it's Catherine. And look, my hands are dirty. No, that is dirt on my hands because of this. I'm not eating, baby. Get down. See? She thinks I'm eating. Anyway, um, the tomato plants in here, if you watched the last video, you've seen that they didn't have any roots on them. But look at them. They got roots on them. And they were just like this one right here. I just plucked it off, stuck it in some water. But I'm going to take and get down, baby. Damn. I'm going to take and put, come on out. Put these. Look at the roots. You just take and stick it in some water for a little while. And when they start getting roots like that, you just take and stick them in some dirt. And you have tomato plants. That's how I do it, which I'm going to take and break this little limb off, this little piece. I just take and squeeze it between my nails. And then it doesn't do anything. And then I'm just going to take and stick it down in the dirt. Kind of almost all the way up and just put some dirt around it. And I'll make sure it'll be watered and everything so it doesn't go through too much of a stress, which heck, it ain't probably not going to go through a stress anyway. But that's one. And I have another one that I've done the same thing with right here, and it has grown tremendously. That's what I've done with this one. This one is about a good, probably 5 foot now. All the way up. Ooh, my phone's fixing to go backwards. But yeah, all the way up. Probably be about 5 foot. And it started off this small. I done it the exact same way as I done these two. I just put it in some water for a little while, let it get some roots on it. Then I started them off in little containers like this, just little containers. Nothing fancy, but like for this one, it does have blooms on it. It does have blooms on it, but I have yet to see any tomatoes on it. But there's like a lot of shoots, like this one I can pluck, this one I can pluck this one. There is a lot of them. I can pluck up here, that one right there in the middle. I can pluck that one and get some more tomato plants out of just one that I'm using as a parent. And I think these are, I think the Better Boy tomatoes. I gotta put some fertilizer or something to it. But I think these are the Better Boy tomatoes. But I just packed the soil just a little bit around it and let it grow. So I'm going to do this other one right here. I'm just going to poke a hole in the center and just go down about that far, about my index finger. And if you want them to grow tall, like real tall, these little spots close to the bottom, if you break them, it like does something to them and makes them grow big. But I didn't get the hole deep enough. There we go. I'll just have to pack some more soil on top of it. But that's it. And see, I have another container right here for soil. that I can just take and put in here. And this is just regular old potting soil. Not potting mix, it's just potting soil. And see, you want to put the dirt kind of high up on the stalk, so the more roots it's got, I'm guessing the better. It just promotes more growth. Oh, cat ran for some reason. But there we go. We got 2 tomato plants on top of the third one I have down in the pot. But these 2 are ready to be put in here in the garden, in the soil, so it can start getting the nutrients and stuff like that. I'll probably put some fertilizer and stuff on it just to help them a little bit more. But this one, as you can see, my camera would focus in. Come on, focus. Anyway, right here, I'm not going to touch them, but right above my finger, there is, see? There's little buds right there. Right there. On that one. And on this one, it doesn't have any on it yet. I mean, it's still a very young clipping. But these have been grown inside, and probably tomorrow, since it's going to be kind of sunny, I'm going to put them outside. But I done this last year, and I got 3 tomato plants off of one, and they actually bared fruit when I put them in the ground outside. So I'm going to do it again this year, which I got to clean up my mess. Kind of just shove everything to the side right now. Ooh, see, dirty, nasty, yeah. But that's it. I mean, they're easy, very easy to do that with. By far, to me, the easiest ones is tomato plants. But that's all you got to do. And then you got 2 extra tomato plants that I've had luck growing fruit on outside in the ground. So, but that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. But I'm going to go figure something else out to get into. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye-bye.